Welcome to Foxize Cloud. I'm sure that you're looking forward to launching your training platform, so let's see very quickly how Foxize Cloud works. If you're looking for a tool to train your internal team, build loyalty to your customers, sell your courses, or update your current training project, you have found the ideal platform. With Foxize Cloud, you can customize and manage all online and face-to-face trainings within a single platform. The platform is divided into two parts. The front end, which is a website where users can register and take their courses, and the back office, where you can configure and manage the daily platform operations. Let's take a look. In Settings, you can define what your platform will look like and the type of training you would like to offer. You will be able to configure the domain of your platform and decide what type of access you grant to your platform, as an open web or as an intranet. Choose the main language of your platform or activate the multi-language option so that your website is available in as many languages as you want. Select the type of course that you are going to offer: online, face-to-face, or both. In e-commerce, depending on the objective of your platform, you can activate or deactivate the course's sales and configure the payment methods: POS, Stripe, PayPal, or bank transfer. You will also find all the necessary tools to configure your platform's digital marketing, link your Google Analytics or Tag Manager account, whatever works best for you. Configure your platform appearance, upload your logo, and select your brand colors. Customize text and images from the page editor. Select the blog you want to edit, and the changes will be applied automatically. In Daily Management, you will find everything you need to manage your platform on a day-to-day basis: courses, registration, activity, communications, and so much more. Create online and face-to-face courses and webinars. Each course has a landing page, and once registered, the user has access to its materials and forum. In your courses, you can upload up to more than 7 types of materials: videos, document download, PDF viewing, evaluation test, exercises, webinars with Zoom, and etc. You will be able to keep track of the activity of your courses in the course capacity section and see the progress of your students, their connection time, and their evaluations. In addition, you will also have a user CRM, where you can individually view their activity on the platform. Of course, Foxize Cloud incorporates marketing tools to communicate with your users in different ways. You can create featured banners or testimonials, discount coupons, and customize automated emails and create campaigns from scratch. If you want to offer exclusive trainings by departments, by user profiles, by countries, or even by companies, the platform also allows you to segment trainings by groups. In the Foxize Cloud trial version, you will find all the available functionalities of the platform so that you can assess which plan best suits your needs when purchasing it. You can do it from the administrator profile. For more information about the platform, you can access the Help tab or read our guide directory, or write to our support team, who will walk you through our customer service. Are you ready to start setting up your platform? I leave you to it.